Welcome back to CODEIN. So last time we had discussed about how we can add an image in HTML and how we can perform action of increasing the border, increasing the size, increasing the width of the image. So today in this lesson we are going to discuss about how we can create hyperlinks, how we can give a link in HTML, and also with the help of an image, how we can move from one page to the another page. So guys, if you like the content what I post, do like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Basically, whenever we are talking about any of the HTML thing to perform, we all know that it requires a tag. Similarly, if we want to perform hyperlink or hypertext in an HTML document, we require a tag that is known as an anchor tag. So whenever we are talking about an anchor tag, it is defined with a angular braces and written in it A. That is known as an anchor tag. So basically the purpose of an anchor tag is used to provide links in HTML through which we can make a text hypertext, or maybe we can make hyperlinks with the help of an image, a sound file, or a music clip. So basically whenever we will click on that particular link, we will move to another page, or we can say another part of the document. So basically an HTML file has a tag which is used for giving links. So these has three attributes. One is the name attribute, which is used to define the anchor name. Second, we have the href. Href attribute is used to give the URL, so where we want to go at the desired location. And then we have a title, which is used to give the title of the anchor tag. So basically it will show you a mouse cursor that what is this basic link providing us. That this is the three main attributes of an anchor tag. Basically we have two types of linking. One is internal linking, one is external linking. So when we are talking about an internal linking basically means we are moving in the HTML document in the same file. Means I have opened a browser and moving in that document into a same web page. I am not moving to another web page. That is known as internal linking. When we are talking about external linking basically means that we are moving from one page of HTML document to the another HTML document. So we can say that from one web page to the another web page whenever we will click that particular link. So this is the basic difference about when we are talking about internal linking as well as the external linking. We will understand with the help of an example. And external linking with the help of example. So here you can see that I have already saved a HTML document file named as anchor.html. At the top you can see that the name is given as anchor. Now I am using a HTML file. I am writing HTML, then I have given the body tag, then in the body tag given the color as background color as yellow. Then in the center I have written CODEIN to learn anchor tag. Means you are moving into my channel to learn the anchor tag. So basically here you can see that I have given a ahref equals to link.html. Link.html is a file that I have already created, so that whenever I will click on this particular link, it will get me to the next file. Then I have a ahref file equals to link1.html. that is a Python file. Suppose if you want to create one more link and you want to move towards the other file, so in that case I will click on the second link and will move to the next file. So whenever I will execute this code, so you will see in the output that the code we have is a C++ written and Python written. On the C++ you can see that there is a line over there, a blue line. So whenever I am clicking on C++, you can see that I am moving to the next page, and the next page is showing me the output. There's these things you have learned already in my previous videos, because I have explained you C++ and Python already in my previous videos. So I have written this tag over here. Now the basically purpose of this is whenever I am clicking on this particular link, I am moving to the desired file. As you can see at the top in the new tab, it is written that link.html. Basically what does link.html means? Whenever I'm moving from the anchor tag to click on that link, I am moving to which URL? That is link.html, which show me the desired output, that what is basically performed in the link.html file. So link.html file we need to create it as an own beforehand. So basically in this I have link.file.html. You can see I have written this code. That is the code which has been displayed in the output whenever I am clicking on C++. So you can create your own file. Of linking that we have available in HTML is the internal linking. So when we are talking about internal linking basically means when we want to move within the same web page and see some links available in that according to that. So basically when we are talking about the internal linking will take you into the same web page. Here you can see the example. I have opened the browser specifically for beforehand, before I'm writing the code. So in the browser you can see whenever I am clicking on Python, I am getting a result displayed as Python. When I am clicking on C++, I am getting the result as C++. Then I am clicking on HTML, so I am getting the same result within the same web page. You can see that the at the top in the tab it's the same HTML file, that is the anchor.html. So I have not written this whole code by typing and showing you. I've just written the code over here. As you can see in the notepad, the code I have written over here is the same body tag. Then I have used the color. Then I have written some ahref. In ahref equals to, you can see that I have written #ch. In #ch of what I have written, the first link, that was Python. In that link I have written Python. Then you can see ch2 I have written C++. Then ch3 you can see HTML. Then moving towards the code downwards, you can see that I have written a name, which is the anchor name, equals to ch1. ch1 was the anchor link that I given before in Python, that was ch. So whenever you can see that here is ch, I have written Python, I have displayed all the things of Python. Similarly I have done for C++ and HTML. Just you need to give the anchor name. So basically in this case what it is doing, whenever I will click on that particular link within the page, it will get me to that particular page within the web page. It will not move to any other web page. It will just show me the output in that particular web page. So this is known as internal linking as well external linking. So basically we can perform internal linking as well external linking with the help of objects also, or we can say of image also. Here in this case I have explained you this with the help of an image. So basically what I am using with the image, I am creating a 2 HTML files. So basically the output that you will get in this file will be, whenever you will click on the bigger image, you will get the smaller image. When you will click on the smaller image, you will get the bigger image. So first of all, what I have written the HTML code over here. In that I have defined the body tag. I have given the text and the background color. Then I have used the href, in which I have given the name of the HTML file where the bigger image is been stored. So I have given that link.html, which I have defined over here. Then I have given the image src. We have already done in the previous video that how we can need to define the image, src, border, height, width, all I have used over here. Then I have closed the a tag. Then after that I have written the break statement and defining it as, this is a smaller version of the image. You can click on the image to get the higher version. So you can see whenever I will whenever see this output in the output, you can see whenever I click on the smaller image, I will get the desired output as the bigger image. Now before getting the output as a bigger image, I need to create the bigger file. For that I am writing the data in the link.html file. In the link.html file what I am writing, starting is the same. Then I have given the ahref equals to anchor.html. Now you can see in the previous case I have given the HTML file link.html because I have to move from shorter to bigger. Now I need to move from bigger to smaller. So I have defined the size and all over in the image tag. Then I have closed the a tag. This will make me move towards the bigger image. Now as you can see in the desired output, when I have clicked on the anchor.html, first of all I will click on the anchor.html. Here a small image is displayed. When I click on this, you can see a bigger image is displayed. When I click on this bigger image, you can see I am returning back to the same HTML. Kind of attribute that we have available in anchor tag is the title attribute. So whenever we are talking about the title attribute, basically the title attribute is used to show a pop-up available near the text. Basically means pop-up available near the text means that we can see that a text has been displayed where we need to click. So it will show you an arrow that will be in a hand form, and you can see that over there the text will be showed that you need to click this and you will get the desired output, or you will move to that particular page. So basically it's used to show just a text pop-up over there in the title bar. So that is the purpose of the title tag. You can also provide a link, v-link, and also the link tag. So basically a link, v-link, and link tag is used to give the colors of the link. So basically this purpose is used if you want to get a link color, then you want to get the active link color, and then you want to get the visited link color. So basically these three things you need to define in the body tag. As you can see over here in the program, I have defined this link, a link, and v-link in the body tag, and after that I have used the title tag also in the main program so that I am able to see the title whenever I click on that. So basically this is the purpose of using a link and v-link, that you can see the difference in the theme. When I click first on it, the text color of the hyperlink was different. When I clicked on it, then the hyperlink color was different. When I have visited it, the hyperlink color changed to the other color which I have defined. So this is the purpose of changing the color of hyperlinks and also defining the tag. You must be clear about how to define anchor tag in HTML, and how we can change the color of anchor tag, and how we can give anchor tag external linking, internal linking, or also with the help of any of the objects, whichever you want to use. So guys, if you like the content what I post, do like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And also you can connect me on my Instagram page, and also you can visit my website for the detailed notes if you want to get this content in the form of a written part and also as your notes. So stay tuned and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.